In this video, we're going to tell you about the top attachments which we think are essential to all house building.
But as you can probably see, there's nothing here. Why don't you follow us up to our stock field so we can show you our top 5. The first attachment is this trenching bucket. This one is a 24-inch or 600mm with a weld-on blade. This is perfect for digging uniform trenches at the width you require. Be sure to check the building regulations for your site so that you're not digging too much out, costing you more money in concrete, or digging too little out so that you have to redig the trench.
The next attachment we would like to mention is this, the concrete pouring bucket. This is a perfect attachment which goes hand in hand with your trenching bucket, helping to pour your foundation with concrete into your trenches, or it can also be used for laying concrete pads. It is ideal for those sites where access isn't great or you can't get a concrete truck right into where you need it, but also you cannot justify the expense of hiring a concrete pump. Instead, you use this attachment on a tracked excavator which you can get just about anywhere. This attachment can also be used for other aggregates such as pea shingle in the bottom of draining trenches or pipe trenches. Is available for 12 to 25 tonne with the multi-pin pickup, so one attachment will fit both sizes, as well as the 7 to 9 tonne with multiple pin pickups as well.
The next attachment is Excavator pallet forks. This attachment is ideal for sites where you struggle to fit a telehandler or a forklift truck, or the conditions are boggy, so that a tracked excavator can move your pallets or materials around site. Another reason these pallet forks are ideal is you don't require the need to hire another machine for that odd time you need to move materials. It's a one-off payment, so there's not the need for continual payment for a machine and an operator. These pallet forks have a maximum operating capacity of 2,500 kilos, and we currently offer them for 7 to 9 tonne machines on 45, 50 and 60mm pins, and on 12 to 25 tonne machines on 65 and 80mm pins. These pallet forks here are to fit the S60 Scandinavian S-Lock pickup, which is 12 to 15 tonne.
The next attachment might seem obvious really, and that is just a standard grading bucket. It is essential for grading out and levelling ground ready for the next development. We recommend fitting all these grading buckets with a bolt-on blade. That way you can make sure while you're grading, what you are grading is flat, or as flat as it can be. Additional to this, that means once one side is worn out, so it's no longer level with the bucket, you can take it off, spin it round and refit it the other way so you get another go. Then, once you've worn your blade out completely, you can replace this, which is a much cheaper option than replacing your whole bucket.
The final attachment is the Rake Riddle bucket. This is a 2-in-1 hybrid attachment of the land rake and the Riddle bucket. This is the perfect tool for finishing those landscaping jobs on house building site where you need to riddle out larger debris and finish the top ready for turfing. We offer the Rake Riddle bucket for a number of machines ranging from the micro all the way up to 9 tonne, and as the product range is continually growing, the 12 to 15 tonne Rake Riddle bucket will be coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it.
Hopefully now you know the top 5 attachments which you need if you're a house builder. Click here to keep watching more videos from Rhinox.
As you can see, there's nothing here. All the way up to 8 tonne. No, it's not, it's 9, isn't it? So you don't miss out on any of our channels.
Hey?